learned that arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean of individual data for frequency distribution, which is either individual observation with frequency or class interval with frequency. Also, we have seen some properties of arithmetic mean. Now, the next type of measure of central tendency is median. So, median is nothing but partition value. Okay. So in arithmetic mean we are finding that particular average, but what the median is? Median means it is a line which divides your data into two equal parts. So you always keep in mind this median is positional average. Okay. So as compared to arithmetic mean, median is positional average, which means that the value of median is dependent upon the position of the given set of observations for which the median is wanted. Median for a given set of observations may be defined as the middlemost value. The middlemost value when the observations are arranged either in ascending order or a descending order of magnitude. So this, whenever we are finding this median, we have to arrange our observations either in ascending order or descending order. Now what this ascending order? Everybody knows this. So you will start from smallest to biggest. It is nothing but ascending order. And what will be descending? Reverse of it. So from biggest to smallest gives you descending order. So this median is middlemost observation when your data is arranged in ascending or descending order. Now come to this example. For example, here is an example. For if the marks of 7 students are 72, 85, 56, 80, 65, 52 and 68. This marks of 7 students. Then in order to find median, now there are 7 students. So what the median is? Median is nothing but middlemost observation. Okay. So before that I have to arrange this data either in ascending order or descending order. So they have given this data in ascending order as 52, 56, 65, 68, 72, 80 and 85. Right. So I have to find middlemost observation. Now what I observe from here, this 68 is the middle value. Why? The 68. So before 68 there are 1, 2, 3 observations, and after 68 again there are 1, 2, 3 observations. So this 68 is the middlemost value. Okay. So the fourth term, that is 68, in this new arrangement is middlemost value. So the median mark is 68, or median of given data is 68. I hope you understood this. Median is nothing but the middlemost value when your data is either arranged in ascending or descending order. Okay. So instead of this ascending order, suppose I have descending order. So 85 will be my first element, 80, then 72, 68, 65, 56 and 52. Again I will get what? I will get this as the middlemost observation is again 68, right? Because before 68 there are 3 observations, after 68 again there are 3 observations. So 68 is my middlemost value. Now let us consider, okay, one more thing I want to tell you about this. Now here this 7 is nothing but odd number. Okay. So if odd number is there, then you can create a formula for median as, if n is odd, then median value will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation, right? So value of n is 7, 7 plus 1, 8 upon 2. So what it will be? It will be 4th observation. Yes. So you always keep in mind, whenever you are finding median, if value of n is odd number, then your median will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation.